Hello everyone! You might have some software problems while using the CZUR Fancy Document Camera. Today, we will be discussing some common issues faced with the CZUR Visualizer software, which is designed as a video showcase platform for connecting all CZUR camera hardware. And I will guide you through the solutions. Hope this video helps you fix them. If you are experiencing audio without video when playing back recordings, or if the software crashes during recording, go to the settings, find this option, Video Codec, and change it to Compatible. If you encounter a loading timeout on the welcome screen, you might navigate to the log directory, delete this file, and restart the software. To access your logs, simply open the file, press Enter, and you will be taken directly to the log folder. Another common issue on Windows 7 is a black background on the tips panel. This is usually due to the classic theme settings. To fix it, just change your system theme to a more modern one. For those using dual graphics cards, you may need to ensure the software utilizes the NVIDIA graphics card. Open the NVIDIA control panel, go to Manage 3D Settings, add CZUR Visualizer, and select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Those are some focused questions I wanted to cover. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comments. I will respond to each one. Thank you for watching, and happy using CZUR. Hope this video helps you.